Welcome! Today I'll show you how to make crispy, juicy Dave's Hot Chicken style sandwiches from scratch. Let's gather all the ingredients needed for.
Before we begin, let's take a look at all the ingredients needed for this recipe.
For the marinade, we'll need chicken tenders, buttermilk, hot sauce, paprika, garlic powder, and salt. For the crispy coating, we'll use all-purpose flour, cornstarch, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. For the signature hot seasoning, we'll need hot frying oil, cayenne pepper, brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder. For the creamy sauce, we'll use mayonnaise, chipotle sauce, honey, and pickle juice. For assembling the sandwich, we'll need soft brioche buns and fresh pickle slices.
Now that all our ingredients are ready, let's start cooking.
Start with 2 pounds of fresh chicken tenders. Add 2 cups of buttermilk. Add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Add 1 teaspoon paprika.
Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Whisk until fully combined. Coat every piece thoroughly.
Marinate for at least 2 hours.
Now let's prepare the crispy coating. Add 2 cups all-purpose flour. Add half a cup cornstarch.
Add paprika, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. Mix everything evenly. Take the chicken from the marinade. Press firmly into the flour mixture. Dip again and coat a second time for extra crunch. Let the coating rest for 10 minutes.
Let the coating rest for 10 minutes. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Maintaining temperature ensures crispy chicken. Carefully lower chicken into hot oil. Fry for 6 to 8 minutes. The chicken should become golden brown and crispy. Place on a wire rack. Now let's create the signature hot seasoning. Add 3 tablespoons cayenne pepper. Add 2 tablespoons brown sugar.
Add smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add salt and black pepper. Carefully pour half a cup of hot frying oil over the spices. Stir until a smooth, spicy paste forms.
Coat every piece generously. In a bowl, combine mayonnaise, chipotle sauce, honey, and pickle juice. Mix until smooth. Spread the sauce.
Dave's Hot Chicken Style recipe complete.